Welcome to BMC's Control-M Application Pack deployment video. In this video, you will learn how to automatically deploy, install, or upgrade application plugins on multiple Control-M agents from one single point of access using the Application Pack deployment tool. The Application Pack is a single installation that includes Control-M for Backup, Control-M for Databases, and Control-M Application Integrator. In future releases, the Application Pack will include additional application plugins. The Application Pack installation package is stored on the Control-M EM server when you install Control-M EM 918 or higher. From the CCM, you can transfer the Application Pack to multiple Control-M agents. After the transfer, you can then install the Application Pack to version 918 and higher on Unix and Windows. Here are a few things to note before you start the deployment. To run a deploy activity in the CCM, you must have full access permissions for configuration and operation privileges in the Privileges window. Control-M Agent 918 or higher must be installed to install Application Pack 918. For more information, see the Control-M help. To start the Application Pack deploy in the CCM, click the Manage tab and then select Deployment. From the Deployment window, select New Activity, Application Pack, Upgrade/Install. Enter an activity name, a description, and the email addresses of those that you want to notify about the success or failure of this deployment activity. If you want to transfer the Application Pack to Control-M agent computers, but upgrade at a later time, select Send Application Pack to Control-M agents. After the package is transferred, you can manually start the upgrade process at any time from the Deployment window. If you want to transfer the Application Pack to Control-M agent computers and begin the upgrade process automatically, select Send and Install Application Pack to Control-M agents. For this video, we'll send and install. Select the Control-M agents that you want to deploy the Application Pack to and click Install. The transfer process starts and progress messages appear in the right pane of the deployment activity. To view and troubleshoot the internal stages of the upgrade, click Log from the Deployment window. If you selected to transfer the installation package, you can install the Application Pack at any time after the transfer is complete. A job runs on the Control-M agent to verify that it installed or upgraded successfully. When the status changes to completed, the Application Pack is installed on the Control-M agents and ready for use. Thank you for watching this video. For more information, see the Control-M help.